left hand, right there. You want to hold it tighter with your left hand than with your right hand. So hold it tighter with this hand. That. This. I haven't shot this since I did it, so I don't even know if it works. Let's find out. It works.
Let's slide. That's it. There's a round there. Now, you just slide. T8.
Да, это ну, гея, где все видно. Magnum round. What is it, 308? You hear that?
Ha 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 ha.